We'll work for wine. We'll cook for wine. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. I thought it'd be fun to just hang out in the kitchen together. I'm throwing together dinner. Asa already stole my potato footage today, making some steaks on the griddle top. And I put together a salad. We've got some bread with oil and balsamic vinegar. And yeah, that's what we're doing for dinner. So come on.
You can have the potato footage if you want.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. I mean, I'll probably use it too, but.
We can share.
Okay.
But I have a full video, so make sure you check that out because they are like hands down, everyone loves those potatoes and they're so easy.
It's kind of fun cooking with you.
Right?
Yeah, we don't do it enough.
Yeah. Are you gonna open this bottle of wine?
I mean, you kind of give me a hard time though, because I don't really know what to do. So.
I know, I'm like, bowls, up here. Like, fun fact, I do not drink red wine except for this right here. Vintner's Red. It's from the San Sebastian Winery. And Ace and I are gonna have to go to St. Augustine because I have a coupon right now. Buy one case, get one for free. Like
2 cases?
2 cases.
Wow.
But only paying for one. So we have to go stock up because we're gonna have the holidays coming up. We're gonna have lots of people here, so we gotta go get it. Look at those. So they've been in here for about 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna pull them out, toss them around, and then throw some feta cheese on them.
Where'd you get this recipe from?
I actually just made it up.
Oh,
Yeah.
a Priscilla original.
Yeah, I mean, maybe someone, I don't know, but
If you ever made a cookbook, then this would go in it, right?
it would have to. Like Priscilla's famous potatoes. Everything's famous. I feel like everybody says that. How many places have you gone and they're like, so-and-so's famous Philly cheesesteaks. Goat cheese is also really good on these. But tonight we have feta. So we'll just throw that on there. That's a big piece. Okay, I'm gonna take that one. There we go. And just kind of let it melt and get happy.
Yeah, it makes like a little crust on there.
It does.
So good.
It's so good. And that balsamic is what's important though. And it's funny because I'm using a lot of stuff from St. Augustine today. So I think I got the balsamic oil or the balsamic vinegar from St. Augustine that I'm using. And I did get the pesto olive oil. So both of these, I feel like I got this from there. But you may be able to get it somewhere else. But this for sure, at Ancient Olive. Product of Spain. It's one of those fun like places to go in
Spices.
Did you go there?
Yeah, I went there
Okay.
with you. Yeah.
Because I went there with Caitlin when she and I did like our girls trip.
Right.
I never not go there. I love the oils they have. Cheers. So what is your favorite cut of steak? Not from a restaurant, like from home. What's your favorite?
From home or ribeye?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You went through like a sirloin.
I like a leaner ribeye too though. Like I like lean.
What do you guys like? Comment down below. Mine has always been a ribeye. I think my parents always made ribeye or New York strip growing up. So that's kind of what I like. And they're so versatile, you know? So that's what I like about them.
Yeah.
Like I'm cooking extra so that we can make I like to make the quesadillas or the breakfast burritos. Even putting it just on a salad is really good. Look, this is how you're so fancy. There you go. This is your balsamic and oil. Try it out. Girl, are we doing party and a dinner and a show? Come on, try this. Try it. Here, try it. Come on, just take a no thank you bite. Come on.
Ready?
No?
Look. It's gonna change your life.
Look.
It's so good. It's
It's
better than
so
regular
good.
bread. Ready?
So good.
Set, go.
Oh my gosh.
Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Try new things.
Do it. Do it. So I never cooked steak in the house before, but when we got this, I love this griddle. It's so fun. Lights go on and off when Abigail's home, so that's fun. You're getting the true way that we cook around here. Fans going, yelling. And then this is a hot spot up here. Wine.
Yeah, there's no actual heat. It's induction. I don't understand.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna do some mushrooms to put on top of my steak. Asa does not like mushrooms. So, are you a mushroom fan? Okay, we have so many questions. Wine, steaks, mushrooms, what else?
Have you ever had balsamic vinegar with olive oil and bread before? Because that's...
We used to get it at Maggiano's all the time. That's kind of where I got the idea. So sometimes I'll put like Italian seasonings in there as well, and that's fun. I get the nice baguette from the bakery at Publix. Creamy horseradish. So I just get the prepared horseradish. It's like raw. And then mix it with sour cream. It makes like, you know, that's what you would have with like prime rib. So that's what we like. No steak sauce. Just this.
There's not a bottle of steak sauce in this house.
I mean, there is because we have other people, but we don't use it very often. So then you just kind of mix it and taste it, and you have to do it to your liking because some people wouldn't want it as strong as we eat it. We like that strong horseradish flavor. Are you so excited? This is fun, huh? It's dinner time. Dad already cut yours up for you. Just some potatoes.
That looks so good.
Ready?
I am hungry.
And then we've got a nice salad, your favorite. Hey, we should have a guess on who eats what salad dressing.
What salad dressing?
Yep.
Blue cheese, Italian, buttermilk ranch.
Guess.
What?
She's like, I'm so ready, guys.
I know.
Hold on, I gotta leave some for your lunch tomorrow. All right, guys, I hope you had fun hanging out with us in the kitchen, just like a little relaxed video, seeing what we do. So comment down below and let us know all those questions we asked you. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.